I recently posted a video when I talked about a crash that Bitcoin had on the first week of January, if I'm not mistaken, or the second week. And I'm going to show you how I took advantage of that drop and how I was able to make over $3,000 in 2 days, thanks to the 10,000 drop that the Bitcoin actually had. Hi everyone, this is Christian and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to make over $3,000 worth of Bitcoin in less than 2 days, thanks to the drops that it has been having during the last few days. And I'm going to teach you, of course, how you can do it as well. So if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Hey, before I actually jump into the content of this video, if you want to become a Forex trader, I have a free training that I'm releasing this specific week where I'm going to teach you everything in regards to Forex and as a beginner level. And this webinar will be at no cost whatsoever. So if you want to attend it, I'm having the link in the description of this video so that you can register and know exactly the time and date of the next webinar so that you can attend at no cost at all. So I hope I can see you there. Okay, people, so let's analyze the last Bitcoin drop. I'm actually over here in CoinDesk, and this is the 1 day, but we're gonna go over and we're gonna take a look at the actual month results. January the 1st, the Bitcoin started at $29,000, right? So it was all good and so on, but then it had a huge jump and he was able to get all the way to almost 42. It actually went over $42,000 worth one Bitcoin, which was crazy, right? A lot of people went crazy. I had been holding some Bitcoins myself, and the increase was actually really good. And we all took advantage of it, right? That's amazing. But then obviously after every single jump like that, there always comes a huge drop. It happens, and this thing happened as well. It dropped all the way to at least $30,525. Pretty much, it was around 20,000 or something like that. And the truth is that we were not expecting this, right? I mean, we could expect a drop, let's say all the way to $35,000, 34 at the most, but going all the way to 30 grand was actually a big pain when we all had a Bitcoin wallet and so on. I was looking at my actual money decreasing all the time, but I'm sure that Bitcoin will keep on jumping. And as a matter of fact, I did not sell any Bitcoin. I just kept my wallet open all the time so that I could, keep on increasing my wallet. Then it jumped back up again to $39,000. And now it's actually dropping all the way to, right now, at this moment that I'm recording this video, it's at $31,900. But it got all the way to $31,000 during the last couple of days. I'm a day trader, okay? And I usually take a look at drops and jumps, like in a general rule. It doesn't matter if the price is going to jump or it's going to drop, I can make money out of it because I'm a day trader, right? I get benefit from both of the direction as long as I can predict it. Now, how did I identify the drop? So basically right here, I have this indicator that I use in order for me to understand exactly when the price of Bitcoin is going to drop or jump. And if we analyze this at the beginning of January, this was on January let me see the date. This was on January the 5th. January the 5th, I got this signal alert saying, boom, the price is going to jump. I really never thought it was going to jump the way it did, like boom, like straight up, but it went good. Then right here, and this was on, it was around the 10th, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, January the 10th, it announced that it was going to have a drop. And guess what? Boom, it got all the way. This is the lowest that it has reached ever since that specific jump. Obviously it has been lower than that, but in January it reached $41,000. So we're expecting actually to keep on jumping all the way up, but it identified this jump. And then right here, which was on the 13th, it said again it was going to jump, and it did jump all the way to around $40,000 again. Now, I don't want to bore you with anything, but the latest trades that I was able to have were right here, identified by this small arrow that I'm going to show you. This one right here. Let me just go ahead and, there you go. This one right here. In this point, it told me that the price was going to drop, right? So what is it that I did? Obviously, I knew that the price was going to drop. How much? We didn't know, but there was going to be a drop again. Now, this was actually gotten at $36,000, which is, it wasn't the highest, but it was still in a good price. Now, what would happen if you actually hold the position for Bitcoin instead of actually doing day trading? If you had, let's say, one Bitcoin obviously was worth $36,000 at this specific moment, and at the end of the day, right now, it was worth $30,000 a couple of hours ago, right? So basically you ended up losing over $6,000. Now that's only if you hold the position. Obviously, if you hold the position as well and you held it for the previous jumps, then your profit was really big. And there's one single problem that a lot of people did when they saw the jump. They actually bought Bitcoin like around $38,000, expecting that it was going to get all the way to 50 grand. And it might get there, but these are just speculators, okay? They don't analyze the market. They don't actually know when to buy and when to sell, okay? To me, at 30 grand, it's a good time to buy Bitcoin, but not that much. Why? Because it could drop to 20 grand, and then it will be a way better time to actually buy Bitcoin. The best time to buy Bitcoin was last year on March the 4th when it reached $4,000. But the second best time will be once it gets to 20 grand. As a matter of fact, I'd like to handle Bitcoin with support and resistance levels as well, because it does respect it as well. And if you notice, right now at 30 grand is actually reaching a resistance support level. So that basically means that right now, this is what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to get to this level and drop a little bit more to 20 grand and then boom and so on, but it's going to continue dropping. And I know for a fact that it will jump, but I do use my tool in order to know when the price will drop or jump. Okay, that's only if you hold Bitcoin, then you depend on the actual price. But since I'm a day trader, then I can make money whether the price drops or jumps, right? So I can make money right here if it jumps, and I can make money right here if it drops, which is exactly what I did. This is the difference between day trading and investing on Bitcoin. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the two trades that I was able to place that ended up making me a total of $1,663.01 and $1,975 in the other one. So that basically gives me a total profit, 663 times plus 975, a total profit of $3,638 and some cents. $3,638 and some cents. Now, how is it that I did it? Very damn simple. I got the alert and I was like, okay, I gotta enter now, and boom, I got in, right? Then I enter a new position and then boom, it closed around this area. As simple as that. Two positions, and I was able to make over over $3,000 in profit just with this specific indicator. Okay, it was as simple as that. Now, if you might be wondering, Chris, what is the indicator? And this is the most underrated indicator in the world. The most underrated. Why is it that I tell you this? Because I know for sure that this is the most profitable indicator that I have of Forex at the moment, and people actually find it too hard to use, which I'm not sure why, but it's the tool that actually just made me over $3,000. It's a BLWFX tool. You will be able to find the link in the description of this video and also get a free training so you understand exactly how it works. But it's basically a Forex application that will determine the movements of the market. It will tell you when to sell and when to buy. And it won't just be for one or two positions. It will actually be for every single pair that you want to. I use it for regular pairs, and at this specific moment, I'm using it for Bitcoin. So yes, this is the tool that made me over $3,000. Hey, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and keep an eye on Bitcoin. All right, it's going to rise right now. From now on, it's going to rise. As a matter of fact, I'm going to enter a position right here in front of you, so that you guys don't think that I'm just, you know, showing off or whatever. I'm sure that in 1 day candles, it will start jumping. So if I want to enter a trade, I'm going to enter a buy position and for one lot, and I'm going to enter, it will reach again at least $36,000. So this is the stop loss. So the stop loss, I don't think is going to reach more than $29,300. $29,300. There you go. And the take profit, I'm gonna put it at 36,900. I think this is going to be the one. Let me see, 29, 36. Yeah, it's like around 1.5 position. So click on buy it, and there you go. I enter my position because I'm sure that it's going to continue jumping. This has nothing to do with the indicator. This is just a recommendation that I'm giving you. So if you watch the video and still have time to actually enter the trade, be welcome on board. Always use demo if you don't have enough money to actually invest. But at the end of the day, what we're actually looking at is at the benefits of all making money all together. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'm glad to take a look and answer those questions as soon as I can. And more importantly, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.